Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Since HAL has been given an order for 83 LCA Tejas fighters, they are preparing the environments and requirement list to make sure the demand is fulfilled on time and also with all required expectations. As per the order placed, the variants which would be manufactured are 73 Tejas Mark 1A and 10 of them would be Tejas Mark 1 trainer aircrafts. Even though the fighters are being made in India by HAL, the entire aircraft components are not going to be from India. As already updated via one of my previous videos, 40 Tejas Mark 1 and 83 Tejas Mark 1A will be powered with F404G IN-20 afterburning engines which are from the United States. Coming to the radar, the initial production batch of Tejas Mark 1A would be fitted with ELTA ELM2052 AESA radars which are manufactured by ELTA Systems of Israel. These airborne AESA fire control radar helps in simultaneous multi-target tracking, multi-mode operation and engagements. Coming to the electronic countermeasure pods, the initial production batch of LCA Tejas Mark 1A would be fitted with ELL 8222 pods. These pods help in autonomous threat handling based on predefined jamming techniques. Not only that, these pods provide full protection against all radar-guided threats. Currently, these aircrafts are said to have majority of indigenous components, but still there are a lot of dependency on imported components as well. Even the ejection seats, which are Martin Baker, are imported ones. The strict rule which has been set on HAL is to reduce the imported components and start integrating indigenous ones as soon as possible. It is said that by the time the first aircraft gets produced by HAL, it is targeted that imported systems will be reduced to approximately 80%. As Tejas fighters are expected to be the backbone of Indian Air Force fighter fleet in years to come and are slated to be produced in high numbers, HAL has created facilities to house the additional production as well. Not just that, even specialized facilities and hangars for structural assembly of aircrafts are also being created by HAL. Even the simulation software packages would be ready very soon. As per the defense sources, it looks like rupees 1,202 crores have been sanctioned for Indian Air Force to create the infrastructure that will enable them to handle the repairs or servicing of these fighters at their base depot itself. Taking these steps would obviously help to reduce the turnaround time for these fighter jets. So that was a quick update on what steps HAL needs to take to make sure they meet the guidelines and criteria which Indian Air Force are looking for. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.